Hi, Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV in Junction City. We're here to showcase some of the features of the Nash 29S bunkhouse that make it pretty special and that make it unique amongst bunkhouses as well. So I'll walk you around some of the features. First, we're going to start with a pebble plate up front and a dual propane container, and that has a regulator in the middle, so if you use up one tank, it'll switch over to the other one right in the middle of the night without having to get up and deal with that. We have a true pass-through storage underneath with its own LED lights, so you don't have to fumble in the dark. And you have your big super slide. This is a 32-foot trailer. So in this slide, you're going to have your a convertible sofa as well as your dedicated dinette. You have in that slide, you have some extra dedicated storage underneath, and we come around to something that makes Nash unique amongst all trailers. And we have here is a section that is dedicated for your generator. Nash and Northwood are the only travel trailers that have this availability for them. If we walk around, you have your receiver hitch as well. It's something that is pretty particular to Northwood products as well. So if you want to add in any bike racks or so forth, you have the ability to do that right off the gate. And if you notice something here, we have two doors. And what those doors are, one of them enters into the living space, and one of them has a feature that is pretty unique to this unit, which is an entrance onto the bathroom from the exterior. So let's hop in. In that bathroom that is accessible from the exterior, we have a true tub. You have your residential cabinetry all the way around. You have your porcelain toilet with a step flush plate, and your sink and medicine cabinet. All the lights are LED, and you have your big fan to push out any heat that you may have. Now with this bunkhouse unit, you have two double beds, one over the other. Each double bed has its own dedicated light in each unit, and you have your individual curtains, which actually allows whoever's sleeping in there to fight a little bit less over who gets to say when the light comes in and comes out. You have your big Norcold freezer and fridge with its bottom lip, so that nothing will escape it if we're shaking it at all. And it keeps it in place. Your 3-burner stove right there with your range hood, microwave, and 15-inch oven. You have storage throughout this unit that is exemplary. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of storage. A lot of storage. You come back around here, you have your super slide. This is what I was talking about from the exterior. You have your 6-seater dinette, which, yes, more storage underneath. Can't forget about that. You have your convertible sofa. A single hand will turn that into an extra living space. And across from that, you have your double basin sink. Allows you to save a little bit of water with the 50-gallon fresh water tank, as well as drying and washing and drying the dishes. We come around here, you have your media center with a spin-around television, which goes from the bedroom to the living room. And same time, if you have any kind of media equipment or remotes you want to make handy, it's a pass-through, true pass-through here. You can place it there. If you want to go to sleep, you step into the bedroom, and from there you can access it at the same time. And when we come into the bedroom, you have access to that media center. Simple push around, and boom, you have that as a really good turnaround. You have your wardrobes, which both have they hang your clothes, as well as the shelves can move out. And on each side of your queen bed, you not only have a cubby for anything you may want to keep at hand, but you have a shelf and a USB and 120 volt outlets. So if you want to just give me a call, my name is Jake at Guarantee RV. My number is 773-655-7190. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.